Hello, good evening, guys. Today our Black&decker food processor broken down, and I opened it up. I looked at the circuit, uh, and I just measured the voltages 410 volts, and it was coming right. And also I measured the voltage here, uh, on the switches. When I push the switch, it sends the voltage through trigger from this to here. It was coming right here up to this point, and and then it was there is one fuse right here, as if you can see here, this black thing, this is fuse. This is coming from this end and then connecting this wire and going towards here, the bush for the motor, the carbon brushes, which runs the carbon brushes. So this black wire was not getting voltages, which is coming right here from inside to over here. And what I basically did, after measuring the voltage on this circuit, I could not locate any fault. And I was testing 110 volt. It was coming on this red wire and passing through this capacitor and coming out from here and going through this and coming to the carbon brush, but it was not coming right here to the carbon brush, so it can run the motor. So for the safety point of purpose, they install one fuse on the motor that burns out. That fuse is it. I'm pointing here. This is the fuse that was burned out, and this is in and this is out. The in is coming 110 volt and out is going 110 volt towards this carbon brush on the motor of the carbon brush right here. I spent like half an hour, 40 minutes to diagnose. I did not run the motor yet because I wanted to just solder this point to right here to bypass this capacitor. Let's see what it does. I have everything ready. Let's we do, and then we do the demo. Yes, it's working. Over here, we run the motor now. I have to put something here, and I did not tried it yet. Let's see if that fixes the problem. I gotta hold this motor here. Okay, and I asked my wife to push the button. Can you just push this middle button one time? Oh, it's worked. So everything is good. All we have to install, I just bypassed this capacitor, which I already did, and it is really successful. If anybody has the issues, all the voltages are coming here, and you can see it here. The 110 comes here. This is relay here. The relay was working fine. I measured the voltage on the transistor, and it was coming 110 volt here too. So I did not find any problem here in circuit. So I assume I open it up, and because I used to bypass this capacitor in I was used to work in the electronics shop. I used to remove those fuses, so I do remember. And when I open it up and I see there is one fuse there, so it was easy for me. It just took me 15-20 minutes. And hope you guys like my videos. Please give me please subscribe my channel and give me thumbs up. If you have any question, please let me know. Hope this video helps. And instead of throwing your electronics equipment, you can fix it. It was an easy fix. I only spent half an hour, 40 minutes to diagnose. It is really easy fix. Don't throw your electronics devices. Like, this is food processor. My wife was keep telling me every day that fix it. I couldn't get a chance, but it took me only 40 minutes. And hope you enjoy this video and give me thumbs up. Thank you very much and have a wonderful evening.